In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bold text on Facebook post. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and here tap at that text field to start creating new post. Here you can tap on text field and then type in some text, and now all you have to do to make that text bold is first double tap on the text and then select it and hit on copy. Now you can hop out Facebook app and then open up your web browser, where at the search box type in bold text and hit on go. It shows you up different websites. You can tap on lingojam.com and here at the first text field you can paste the text that you have just copied, and now you can copy the bold version of this text from the second field. You can scroll down to see different fonts of the bold text, and then you can just double tap on this text, then select it, then hit on copy, and now you can go ahead and open up Facebook, and from here you can hit on paste to paste those bold text to a text field. Now I can hit right there where it says friends and select only me, then hit on done and then hit on post, and here as you can see I have just posted bold text to my Facebook profile. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.